Hi, this is Queen from AEvent Support. In this video, we will be discussing AEvent Support Portal or AEvent Support Center. Once you're logged into your AEvent account and on the dashboard view of your account, over here on the lower left, you'll see here the support icon. When you click on this one, you'll see three options. Reset support link will reset or change the link for your support portal. Copy support link will copy it in case you want to share it to someone else. And open support will open the support portal. So the support portal view will be depending on the timeline or hosting platform that you are using for your timeline. Let's start with an A-Stream timeline. So this is how it would look like for an A-Stream timeline. So as you can see here, the platform is A-Stream, and this will show the name of the timeline. Over here, if more than a single support personnel are helping to answer questions, you can uncheck this box so that it will streamline your operations. Over here to the right, you have the mute button. The list of running active webinars will be shown and will be clickable. So once you click on that, this view here will show the live view of what the audience is actively watching. So over here, we have two buttons. For kick asker, this will actually kick out an audience or a viewer if they are being inappropriate. You can also delete a message from your view. When you click on load more, this will load the latest question that you've received on your timeline or your webinar. Over here, if you have any pre-written canned responses to commonly asked questions, you can access those through the drop-down menu from here. So there's a drop-down here. And here you'll see the questions being asked by your attendees. So when you click on that, and then when you click on this one here and type in your answer, this will actually respond to that specific question that you clicked on. And then over here, you have the option to either send it privately, directly to that person who asked the question, or make it viewable by all. And then you also have here the option to save it as a canned response, so you don't keep on typing in the same answer over and over. You can easily access that response from this one. And here we also have the emoji button. You can select different emojis you can use from here. Over here, you will see this will show the active live viewers as well as the time left until presentation is over. So that would be for an A-Stream timeline. Now for a Zoom timeline, this is how it will look like. So as you can see here, it's a Zoom timeline and it will show here the name of the timeline. This one will show the number of attendees for the webinar. This box is the chat box where you can see the question and answers. And over here, when you click on this one, this will get the link, the join link for any co-host or panelist. Over here, you'll see the total number of registrations for this event, the time left remaining until the end of the webinar. And if you have more than one active running webinar, you can see them here. And this one will show the times in start of presentation. So that would be for a Zoom timeline. Now for a GoToWebinar timeline, it's also different. This is how it will look like. So as you can see here, it's a GoToWebinar timeline. Show the name of the timeline. Over here, you'll see the total number of registrations for this event and the time left until end of the webinar. And this one here, this will show review overall stats for your GoToWebinar event. Right below that, you can view your live attendees here. And this is the live audience view. And this is the chat box where you can see the live questions and responses. Over here is the live screenshot view. It auto refreshes every 1 minute. This one is the review operational status. Over here, the three options. When you click on any of these blue buttons, it will actually be able to access the join links of the co-organizers for this webinar. And then you can also add another support person by clicking on this green box. you have more than one running event, you'll be able to see the list of active running webinars here. And this one will show the time since start of presentation. So that would be the different views of the support portal for a stream timeline, a Zoom timeline, and a GoToWebinar timeline. That would be all for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to contact support. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, leave us a comment below, and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any future uploads that we'll have. Thank you for watching.